Here I have NOKIA G50, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open Settings, then go to the System section, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, Gboard, Languages, Add Keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on your keyboard. So let's pick, for example, maybe Greek, and then tap Done. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see right now I have Greek layout on my keyboard and I can type in Greek. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.